Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at the 2019 Grady-White 330 Express. It's an AV hardtop. And this boat, like all other Grady's, have the legendary CV2 hull. Everybody's excited about these new Yamaha 425s. Wow, beautiful engines. This is a brief look again at the all-new 2019 Grady-White 330 Express. For full viewing of this boat and any of our Grady-Whites here at MarineMax Gulf Shores, come see me, Dwayne Diggs. Thank you and see you the next time.